Hello everyone, let's dive into something truly unique today, the GOOHEE Mini ITX PC case. This isn't just another case, it's a statement piece, blending the warmth of wood with the sleekness of clear acrylic. If you're a DIY enthusiast, or someone who appreciates a clean, eye-catching setup, this case might just be your next obsession. First impressions matter, and the GOOHEE case delivers. The combination of wood and acrylic is visually striking, making it a standout piece whether you're at a LAN party or just showing off your setup at home. It's a conversation starter, for sure. Building in this case is surprisingly straightforward. GOOHEE includes detailed instructions, a toolkit, and high-quality screws. No more frustrating moments trying to figure out where everything goes. The thoughtful design makes the building process a breeze, even for those relatively new to PC building. One of the coolest features is the customization potential. The wooden exterior acts as a blank canvas. Feel free to paint it, add decals, or stain it to match your desk. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to create a truly personalized rig. Cable management can make or break a build, and GOOHEE understands this. The dual-chamber design, with its dedicated wooden chamber, cleverly hides all those unsightly wires. Plus, they include cable ties to help you achieve a super clean and organized look. Say goodbye to cable clutter. For those who need ample storage, this case has you covered. It can house up to 6 2.5-inch SATA hard drives, making it a viable option for an NAS setup. Plenty of space for all your games, media, and files. Cooling is crucial, especially in a small form factor case. The GOOHEE Mini ITX case features 3 92mm fan slots, creating excellent airflow. Smart vents ensure heat escapes efficiently, keeping your components running cool even during intense gaming sessions. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even remove the acrylic side panel and run it as an open-air case. This is perfect for maximizing airflow and showing off your components. It also doubles as a convenient test bench for tweaking and testing your system. In summary, the GOOHEE Mini ITX PC case is a fantastic option for anyone looking to build a unique and stylish small form factor PC. Its blend of aesthetics, ease of build, cable management, and cooling capabilities make it a winner. If you want a case that stands out from the crowd and offers a rewarding building experience, definitely give this one a look.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.